'Cause I hung up on you many times before, but now this ocean's around us, and I can't fake it. But I've been wanting to hear your voice. How do I explain this kind of feeling? I never got enough attention as a child, and now I'm staring at the ceiling with my phone in my hand, hoping you'll make it plain. Whenever you need someone to talk to, girl, you can call me up all the time. These 14 numbers never got so right.
Alright, so I got a card and I got his number. So is it 011 How about the 6? Is there like a 6 in there? Is it 06? I can't even really hear anything. God damn it. Ugh.
Call me when you're mad, call me when you're home alone. Call me when you're freaky, call me when you're nasty, call me when you're on the own. And if you're really upset, you could call me collect, 'cause you know I'm not gonna mind. At the drop of a dime, you could drop me a line, and I'ma make it worth your time. Time, 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 time.